The government of Kenya, particularly the Ministry of Health, and also on behalf of the county government of Kiambu and the area MP of this area, we express our appreciation for this partnership that is bringing everybody together so that those in need of treatment can be treated. The doctors here are from all over the world, whether from Canada, the Americas, from New Zealand, from Africa like Botswana, from countries in Europe. They've come from all over the globe, a team of 65 doctors, and they're doing a sterling job. They started in Uganda, where they were able to attend to 2,000 people plus. Forward to having more of this, and definitely their visit is a show of great teamwork, and it has had massive impact on our society.
Dr. Rao na timu yako yote for the wonderful service that you have given to the people of Uthiru. Hii kitu imekuja, si mnajua tuko na issue na madaktari kidogo, na tunaomba Mungu hapo Kwamukira ndio tuweze kupata matibabu, si ndio? Lakini Mungu anafanyanga kazi na njia mingi, na ametuletea hawa watu na wametusaidia. Si kuna wale wametibiwa, na tunashukuru sana kwa sababu hatutibu ile ya juu watu mpaka wanafanywa minor surgery.
We have seen that there is a lot of dental problems. Many people were been been root canal problems. A lot of teeth were replaced. I mean, we were people was having a problem of vision, and especially we have need to notice that a lot of children were not able to see the blackboards. What we are planning is now we want to see how we can collaborate with these county governments and have a MOU and to have a continuous, medical camps, working with closely with the doctors here, and so that at least in certain areas we can help.